Start to replace the screen. Plug in the screen cable and battery cable. Clean up. Start to replace the blank. Tighten the screw to the corresponding position. Then tighten the screws with a torque screwdriver. The screw torque of each iPhone is different. The screw torque of each Apple mobile phone is different. Keep on screwing. Fix the screws first. Then start with a torque screwdriver. Tear off the last protective film of waterproof glue. Clean up. Let's double check and make sure there's nothing wrong. Start snapping the screen. Remove the tempered glass. Clean up the screen. Put in the waterproof glue pressure holding tool and hold the pressure for 30 seconds. Packing completed. Screw on the bottom screw. Let's test the airtightness of the phone again. Check if the phone is still leaking and intimacy is restored after we repair it. Start to pressurize. After pressurization is completed, pressurize. Restore airtightness. Mobile phone does not leak. Let's check the health of the battery. Battery health 100%. Clean the handset net dust. There is also dust on the speaker net and the dust on the charging port. Cleanup completed. Let's clear the screen again. Paste a brand new tempered film to the customer. This is the effect after pasting. Reinstall the card tray. This is the old battery cell removed by the customer. We pack it. Send it back to the customer together.